Hi, and welcome to this video where we'll be talking about pipeline insights. With pipeline insights, you can get clear insights on performance, speed up updates, and enable faster feedback loops, ensuring your projects are more efficient and responsive. So you can get an overview of key performance metrics, which means you can view a straightforward summary of how your projects are doing, including update frequency, speed of making changes, and overall update reliability based on industry standard DORA metrics. You can track how often your projects get updated, so you can monitor the regularity of your project updates, which is a key sign of your team's ability to adapt and improve quickly. You can also measure the speed from planning to implementation, and this basically means that you can see the time it takes to turn a planned change into a live update. So this helps you identify ways to make this process faster. You can also assess the success rate of your project updates, which means you can understand how often updates lead to issues through change failure rate. This is an important factor in making your project more stable and reliable. And you can also evaluate how fast you resolve project issues. So you can find out how quickly your team can fix problems by checking the mean time to recovery metric, ensuring that your projects run smoothly and efficiently. Now, let's have a look at the demo of Pipeline Insights. On our project page, we can go into the Insights tab, and inside the Insights tab, we can actually see the key metrics of our project. So in this case, we can see the performance, frequency, and reliability. In this case, performance means what the average time of our build that goes through, frequency, how often we are actually performing updates, and reliability, how many of these triggered builds were actually successful. Now, inside this graph, we can see for each day the average duration, standard deviation, successful runs, and failed runs for our pipeline performance. Now, on the right, we can actually go back, so we can view this data for the past 3 months and see what was going on with our project. Now, if we go into the frequency tab, we can actually see the frequency of our updates as well, which gives us a general insight into how many times we are performing updates. In the reliability tab, we can see what's the successful pass rate. So in this case, we can actually see how many builds have gone through. Right now, this metric is 90%. We can also see how long it takes for us to recover from a failed build using the MTTR metric over here. So Pipeline Insights kind of gives us the ability how our pipelines are actually performing and what we can do to optimize this performance. So make sure you try this feature out.